welcome to Grandpa Reads the Comics. This is Pickles week, and I'm happy to be with you. Today I've got a shout out to Karen and Roger. Thanks for your interest in Grandpa Reads the Comics. In the first frame, Opal looks up, and she sees some pajamas hanging from the ceiling. And she says, "Earl, I noticed your pajamas are hanging from the ceiling fan in the bedroom." Earl says, uh-huh. And then she says, "Is there any particular reason for that?" Earl says, "Yes. You told me many times to stop leaving them on the floor. So I'm hanging them on the ceiling fan." What a good idea. Hey, thanks for watching Grandpa Reads the Comics. Do your best. Believe in yourself today. Look for someone to help. Maybe a grandma or a grandpa. I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.